Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, we will explore past perfect questions. This is an important grammar topic that helps you ask questions about actions that happened before other actions in the past. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to form and understand past perfect questions correctly. The past perfect tense describes an action that happened before another action in the past. Think of it as going back in time twice. First, there is an earlier action, and then there is a later action that also happened in the past. The past perfect always refers to the earlier action, helping us understand the sequence of events. Use the past perfect when two actions happened in the past, and you want to show which one happened first. Use the past perfect for the earlier action, and use simple past for the action that happened later. For example, I had finished my homework before you arrived. Here, finishing happened first and arriving happened second. The formula for past perfect is had plus the past participle. The structure is subject plus had, not had plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence. For example, she had eaten lunch. They had completed the project. Remember, had is the auxiliary verb and the past participle is the main verb in this tense. To make yes or no questions in past perfect, put had before the subject. The structure is had plus subject plus past participle plus question mark. For example, had you finished? Had she seen it? These questions expect a yes or no answer, with had in the beginning. Here are 3 examples of past perfect yes or no questions with positive responses. Had you finished your homework? The answer is yes, I had, or no, I hadn't. Had she seen the movie? The answer is yes, she had, or no, she hadn't. Had they arrived before noon? The answer is yes, they had, or no, they hadn't. Notice that had stays the same for all subjects. Now let's look at negative past perfect questions. These questions begin with hadn't, which is had not. Hadn't you left yet? The answer is yes, I had, or no, I hadn't. Hadn't they eaten before we arrived? The answer is yes, they had, or no, they hadn't. Hadn't he studied for the exam? The answer is yes, he had, or no, he hadn't. Remember, negative questions often expect a yes answer. WH questions are used to ask for specific information, not just yes or no. The common question words are what, where, when, why, who, and how. When you use these question words with past perfect, you can ask about the details of actions that happened in the past. These questions give you more detailed information. Here are examples of WH questions in past perfect. What had you done? The answer could be I had finished my work. Where had she gone? The answer could be she had gone to the market. Why had they left early? The answer could be they had left early because of the storm. Notice that the question word comes first, then had, then the subject, then the past participle. Here are 3 common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, do not say did you had finished. The correct way is had you finished. Mistake 2, do not say where you had gone. The correct way is where had you gone. Mistake 3, do not say had she eat the food. The correct way is had she eaten the food. Remember, use had with the past participle, not with the simple past form. Now it is time to practice. Here are 3 exercises. Exercise 1, convert this sentence to a question. The sentence is they had left before the party started. Exercise 2, ask a WH question about this sentence. She had gone to the library. Exercise 3, make a negative question from this sentence. You had seen the movie. Try to answer these exercises and check your understanding of past perfect questions. Let's summarize what we learned. Use had plus past participle for past perfect. For yes or no questions, use had plus subject plus past participle plus question mark. For WH questions, use question word plus had plus subject plus past participle plus question mark. Past perfect shows the earlier action in a sequence of events. Practice with positive, negative, and question forms to master this tense. Thank you for learning with us. Keep practicing and improving your English skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.